Okay, hello everyone! Welcome back sa aking channel. So ngayon naman po pag-aaralan natin ang laws of exponent. Meron tayong product of powers, power of a power, product of a product, quotient of power, negative exponent, and zero power. Okay, number 1, product of powers. If the expression multiplied have the same base, add the exponents. Ibig sabihin, kung expression natin ay mayroong parehong base, i-add natin yung exponent. For example, x raised to a times x raised to b. Ang gagawin lang po natin is kukopyahin natin yung same base, which is x, at i-add yung exponent, which is we have x raised to a plus b. Okay, example. We have 2x cubed times 5x raised to 4. Okay, in this example, we're going to multiply the numerical coefficient, which is 2 and 5. So now we have 2 times 5. And then we have the same variable x. So we're going to add their exponent. We have 3 plus 4. Okay? So, i-multiply natin yung numerical coefficient, tapos ipag-add natin yung exponent ng same variable, which is x. So, 2 times 5 is equal to 10, and x raised to 3 plus 4 is 7. Therefore, the answer is 10x raised to 7. Okay, next we have the second law, power of a power. If the expression raised to a number is raised by another number, multiply the exponents. Okay, we have x raised to a, then raised to another power b, and then it is equal to x raised to a times b. Imo-multiply yung exponent. Okay, we have the square of 3x raised to 4. Then, it is equal to, we distribute the exponent. So, we have 3 square, then x raised to 4 times the another exponent, 2. Okay, and then now 3 square, it becomes 3 times 3. Then, we have x raised to 4 times 2. 3 square again is 9, and then 4 times 2 is 8. So, therefore, the answer is 9x raised to 8. So, that is power of a power. Okay, next, let's have the third law, power of a product. If the multiplied expressions is raised by a number, multiply the exponents, then multiply the expressions. Okay, we have x raised to a, y raised to b, raised to another power c, then it is equal to x raised to a times c. Okay, we're going to distribute their exponent, and then we multiply a times c. Then we have y raised to b times c. Okay, example, we have x squared, y cubed to the 4th power. Okay, in this situation, in this expression, we're going to distribute the exponent. Okay, we have x squared times the power 4. Then y, we have y cubed times 4. Then it is equal to x raised to 2 times 4 is 8. Then y 3 times 4 is 12. Okay, so we multiply their exponent. Okay, so next let's have the fourth law, quotient of power. If the ratio of two expressions is raised to a number, then x raised to a over x raised to b, it is equal to x raised to a minus b. Okay, we subtract their exponent. Okay, so let's have an example. We have 6x raised to 7 over 2x cubed. Okay, so in this situation, we're going to divide 6 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. And then, x raised to 7 over x raised to 3. Then, we subtract the exponent, 7 minus 3. Then, the answer now is 3x raised to 4, which is 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Okay, next, let's have another law, which is the negative exponent. So, if the exponent is negative, then it will becomes x raised to negative a will becomes 1 over x raised to a. Okay, again, pag negative ang exponent, magwo 1 over tayo o magkakaroon tayo ng fraction sa kagawing positive yung exponent. Okay, so we have an example, x raised to negative 3, then it becomes 1 over x cubed. Okay, so next, 0 exponent. Any number or variable raised to 0 is equal to 1. Okay? So, x raised to 0 equals 1. Okay? Example, 2 raised to 0 is 1. Number 2 example, 3x raised to 0 equals 3 raised to 0, x raised to 0, then it is equal to 1 dahil naka-parenthesis siya. Kahit anong number na nakalagay sa parenthesis, any number or variable, basta nasa loob siya ng parenthesis at naka-raise sa 0, equals 1. Okay, next number 3, 5a times 4x raised to 0 equals 5a. Then 4x raised to 0 is equal to 4 raised to 0 x raised to 0. Then we have now 5a. 4 raised to 0 is 1. X raised to 0 is 1. So now we have 5a times 1 times 1 equals 1. Then 5a times 1 equals 5a. Okay, now we're going to apply the laws of